Have you ever looked up at the night sky and just felt a sense of wonder? A feeling that we're just a tiny part of something vast and incomprehensible? Well, you're not wrong. Space is filled with mysteries that continue to stump even the brightest minds on our planet. Today, we're diving deep into 5 of the most mind-bending enigmas of the cosmos that science is still struggling to explain. So, grab your imaginary space helmet and let's get started on this cosmic journey. First up, let's talk about something that gets everyone excited. UFOs, or as they're now officially called, unidentified anomalous phenomena, UAPs. For decades, reports of strange lights and objects zipping through our skies have been dismissed as weather balloons or overactive imaginations. But things have changed. In recent years, even the US government and NASA have acknowledged that, yes, there are things flying around up there that we simply cannot identify. We have credible eyewitness accounts from trained fighter pilots, and even radar and video data showing objects that perform maneuvers impossible for any known human technology. They accelerate at incredible speeds, make hairpin turns without losing momentum, and sometimes just vanish. Are they advanced drones from another country? Top secret military projects? Or could they be something not from around here? The official answer is a big, resounding "we don't know." And that lack of a definitive explanation is what makes UAPs one of the most compelling and popular mysteries of our time. The scientific community is now taking it more seriously, dedicating resources to study these phenomena systematically. But for now, the question remains, what are they, and where do they come from? Next, let's venture further out into the cosmos to a phenomenon known as fast radio bursts, or FRBs. Imagine you're a radio astronomer quietly listening to the universe, when suddenly, out of nowhere, you detect an incredibly powerful burst of radio waves. This burst is brighter than a billion suns, but it lasts for only a few milliseconds, less than the blink of an eye. Then, it's gone. That's an FRB. The first one was discovered in 2007, and since then, we've detected hundreds more. Some of them are one-off events, never to be heard from again, but others are repeaters, flashing intermittently from the same spot in the sky. So, what could be causing them? Theories range from natural but extreme cosmic events, like the collision of neutron stars or magnetars superdense stars with insane magnetic fields, to more exotic ideas. Some have even floated the possibility of advanced extraterrestrial technology. The biggest puzzle is the sheer energy involved. Whatever is creating these bursts must be unimaginably powerful. We're getting better at pinpointing their locations in distant galaxies. But the source engine, the mechanism that unleashes such an incredible amount of energy in such a short time, remains a profound mystery. Now, let's get even weirder with our third enigma, dark matter. When you look around, everything you see, your phone, the planet, the stars, is made of what we call normal matter. But astronomers have found that all this visible stuff makes up less than 5% of the entire universe. So, what's the rest? Well, about 27% of it is something called dark matter. We know it's there because we can see its gravitational effects. Galaxies are spinning so fast that, based on the visible matter they contain, they should be flying apart, but they're not. Something is holding them together, an invisible gravitational glue. That's dark matter. It doesn't emit, absorb, or reflect any light, which is why we call it dark. It's completely invisible to all our telescopes. Scientists have built massive ultra-sensitive detectors deep underground, shielded from cosmic rays, trying to catch a single dark matter particle bumping into a normal one. But so far, nothing. We have a name for it. We know how much of it there is, and we can map its distribution across the universe, but we have absolutely no idea what it actually is. It's one of the biggest holes in our understanding of physics, a cosmic ghost that shapes the universe we live in. If you thought dark matter was strange, get ready for its even more mysterious cousin, dark energy. If dark matter is the glue holding galaxies together, dark energy is the force pushing the entire universe apart. For most of the 20th century, scientists thought the expansion of the universe, which started with the Big Bang, would be slowing down due to gravity. It was a huge shock when, in the late 1990s, observations of distant supernova revealed the exact opposite. The expansion of the universe is not slowing down, it's accelerating. Something is overpowering gravity on the largest scales and pushing everything away from everything else at an ever-increasing rate. This mysterious force was dubbed dark energy, and it makes up a whopping 68% of the universe. That means all the stars, planets, and galaxies, everything we've ever known, is just a tiny fraction of what's out there. What is dark energy? Is it a property of space-time itself, what Einstein called the cosmological constant? Or is it some new kind of energy field filling all of space? We don't have a clue. Solving this mystery could completely revolutionize our understanding of physics, space, and time itself. Finally, for our fifth enigma, let's talk about the WOW signal. This is a classic, a true legend in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI. On August 15, 1977, an astronomer named Jerry Emin was using the Big Ear radio telescope in Ohio to scan the skies for potential alien signals. While reviewing the data printouts, he saw something that made him grab a red pen and write, "Wow." In the margin, he had found a powerful narrowband radio signal that lasted for 72 seconds. It came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, and its frequency was exactly what you'd expect if an intelligent civilization were trying to communicate. It was a clear, strong signal that stood out dramatically from the background noise of space. It looked exactly like the kind of artificial signals SETI researchers had been hoping to find for years. But here's the mystery: it was never heard again, despite numerous attempts to rescan that same patch of sky with more powerful telescopes. The WOW signal has remained a one-time event. Was it a fleeting transmission from an alien civilization, a bizarre, unknown natural phenomenon, or something else entirely? To this day, no one knows for sure. It remains the most tantalizing and frustrating piece of potential evidence in our search for cosmic company. From strange objects in our own atmosphere to the very fabric of the universe being pushed apart by an unknown force, space is not just empty and silent, it's an active, dynamic, and deeply mysterious place. These enigmas aren't failures of science. They are the frontiers. They are the questions that drive us to build bigger telescopes, devise new theories, and keep looking up with that same sense of wonder we had as kids. What do you think is the most compelling mystery, and what do you believe the answers might be? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. We're all explorers on this journey together. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this cosmic trip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. See you next time.